Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine. Thank you everyone. You have a how to make money of online. Your YouTube blogging. The lot of make money. The worldwide YouTuber. The how to make money of online platform. YouTube blogging and marketplace. YouTube skill development. The lot of make money. The online platform, offline platform, YouTube AdSense, YouTube, Google AdSense, YouTube partners, sponsored, etc. etc. First time you make YouTube channel. Here are some to follow create a YouTube channel. Here are some steps to follow create a YouTube channel. First time sign in YouTube. Sign into YouTube. To create YouTube channel, you will need it sign into Google account. Again, sign into YouTube channel. To create YouTube channel, you will need to sign into Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you can create on for free. Create a channel on your sign it into YouTube. Click on profile picture in top right. Create to the screen and select create a channel. From the drop down menu, follow the on screen promote to set up your channel. Custom your channel. One of create your channel you can customize to match brand and professional style. Can add profile picture or logo, banner, image, create a channel title to give view ideas what your channel about. You must be channel about. Channel about that means description. Create and upload videos. Your own channel setup can start creating uploading videos. Make sure to choose topics or your niche that you possible about and that kind engagement and the informative. Optimize your video to get more views and subscribe. It's important to optimize your videos and search engine SEO. The including use relevant keyword and video title, description, add tag help you find videos. Promote your channel. One of create and upload videos, import, promote your channel on social media and that platform. Share your video friends or followers. Can consider running a reach within audience. I hope that step help you create the successfully YouTube channel. Remember to consider and engage with your audience and build lovely following. Good luck. I am again review. Oh my friend, you have first time need a Google account. The login Google account, the login YouTube sign in. The create the right side of your image, click here your Google account, the click here the create YouTube channel, the your niche name, select your name, select your category, and then customize your brand, upload your logo, upload your banner, and set up keyword, channel counties, channel categories is a must, very very important. Friends, YouTube present time the lot of make money gain the online platform, the lot of YouTuber the worldwide, the $1,000 earned for YouTubing. The American YouTuber, Australian, Canadian, European, Asian, etc. etc. Very easy. The YouTubing, blogging, income, online money. Then the sponsor ad, YouTube partnership, Google AdSense, etc. etc. How to make money? Your nicely YouTube channel, YouTube video uploading, good content creator, video editing, video search engine optimization, SEO, lot of way how to make money, the local market, international market and online market platform as like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and your skill sharing the others platform as like social media platform, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. etc. You can professional YouTube channel create the how to lot of make money the online platform. Thank you. Best of luck.